like you're going skiing. Yeah? I mean, those are practical. They make sense. Good morning, guys. Just woke up, but we are in Busan. I'm in Busan. Oh my god, I feel like my voice is so deep. Anyways, I'm in Busan for the weekend. I think I just woke up my friend. Let me keep quiet. Okay, we'll finish this later. But we're in Busan. But this outfit,
he's living in a dream. He doesn't seem to stray far from today. There is nothing to obscene
감사합니다.
as we live today in so many ways. Now there are men who take a different route, put on a tie and suit each day, but he don't care about their ways. He simply wants to blaze the day.
So we are coming to my food. We're currently at the place in gamcheon. We're about to have lunch. It's like a English-inspired restaurant, cafe, brunch place. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we're having now quickly, while someone is fixing her wig.
It's lifting. It's up in the air.
Let me show you what we're having quickly. We're having some fish and chips with pasta and pasta and some tea.
He's smoking in his pipe. He doesn't call his man or make a friend. He says he's working on his
I
craft.
was dreaming that.
He doesn't know how long his jig can last.
Oh, I thought you said pork.
Did you say pork or frog?
Eddie cooks that. Very old cup. You can go first.
Like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but that's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities change, but people never do. I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose. I see you in every corner of every morning. Thoughts, they're haunting me, and oh, I can't let it be. Blame it on the things we've done apart.